G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to this episode. Now, a question that is very commonly asked and not a lot of people understand is where files are actually located and where they're stored when you share files in Teams, or whether you upload files into the Files tab, when you share a file in a chat, in a group chat. Where are those files actually located? Now, this is going to be a multi-part series, and the first part that we're going to take a look at is a simple one, and that is just a one-to-one chat. So we're chatting away with our colleagues and we share a file. Where does that actually get stored? Is it in SharePoint? Is it in OneDrive? Is it in Teams? Where is that actually stored? So let's have a look. There's two options when we're chatting with somebody and we want to share a file. We can upload it from our computer, or we can utilize an existing file in our OneDrive. So let's have a look at the differences here. So you can see here that I am in a chat with Pradeep, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start a new message. And I'm going to, first of all, select upload from my computer. So I'm going to upload a document from my computer. Let's call it the offer letter, and let's select this. So we're going to share this, and we're going to send that across. All right, so that's been uploaded from my computer. So a copy has now been sent and uploaded into this chat. So let's have a look here. In the Files tab, you can see that we've got this document here, and that's just between Pradeep and myself. But where is this actual file? Because I've uploaded it from my computer. So let's have a look inside of my OneDrive. So any file that you share or upload from your computer into a one-to-one chat is actually stored in your OneDrive. So if I jump over into OneDrive, there is a special folder that gets created in your OneDrive for Business called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. When I open that chat file, you can see that here is that offer letter. That is the file that I've just uploaded from my computer, and I've uploaded it into that one-to-one chat. You can see here that it's been shared, and when I click on shared, what we'll see is that we've got direct access, and we've got the owner here, and we can stop sharing if we want to as well. So we can then locate that file, and we know that it's now in our OneDrive. All right, so when I edit this file, if I jump back into this chat, I can either open this file from the Files tab or directly from the chat. So let's open this file, open in the browser. So it's going to open up in a new tab. And let's just pop in my name here. So I'm just going to pop in and enter some text in here. And let's pop in Dear Daniel. Actually, let's just enter this and put some stuff in here like so. So I've now changed some text inside of this document. It's saving. All right. Now what we're going to do, we can also look at this drop down, and we can see that the location here is in my OneDrive, and it's in the Teams chat folder. So I'll jump back in here. Let's just go just once. I'm going to close this file down. Now, when I open this file, we should see that those changes are reflected because we're accessing the same file. Let's just make sure that that opens, and we're now opened up in Teams. You can see that I've got this text down here. All right, let's close this off. Now, let's jump into my OneDrive, and we can see here, let me just refresh the browser like so. And we've got this file. It's been modified a few seconds ago by Megan, and I'm going to open it up from my OneDrive location like so. It's going to open up in the browser, and you can see there that it is the same document. All right. So even though we are in Microsoft Teams, then we're in a one-to-one chat, and we upload a document from my computer into that one-to-one chat, it actually gets stored in the person that's uploading that document in their OneDrive for Business. It automatically sets the sharing options for Pradeep and myself, or the person that's sharing, and it's located in that special folder that is called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. So I hope that brings you some value, clears up a little bit of those questions around where the document is stored when you're sharing it inside of a one-to-one chat.